Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia melaporkan informasi terbaru tentang operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada Senin, 14 November 2022 kemarin. Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia diketahui masih melanjutkan operasi militer khusus. Dalam arah, Kupyansk, dua kelompok taktis kompi dari Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina melakukan upaya yang gagal untuk menyerang pasukan Rusia menuju Kuzemovka di Republik Rakyat Lugansk. Operasi daya tembak telah mengakibatkan penghentian dan mengarahkan unit musuh kembali ke perbatasan awal mereka. Lebih dari 120 personel Ukraina, 6 tank, 5 kendaraan tempur lapis baja, 3 pengangkut personel lapis baja, dan 5 kendaraan bermotor. Semuanya dikabarkan berhasil dihancurkan Rusia. Dalam arah Krasny Liman, tindakan intensif pasukan Rusia telah berhasil memukul mundur serangan yang diluncurkan oleh dua kompi infanteri mekanis Ukraina yang diperkuat oleh tentara bayaran asing menuju Chervonopovoka. Selama 24 jam terakhir, musuh telah kehilangan hingga 90 personel dan militan, 5 kendaraan tempur lapis baja, dan 6 pick-up ke arah yang disebutkan di atas.
And Chernobyevka in Kherson region, as well as 54 artillery units at their fire-on positions, manpower and military equipment in 174 areas. 2 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery warfare radars have been destroyed near Zeleny Gai in Kharkov region and Alexandro-Kalinovo in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 radar for Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Volnyansk in Zaporozhye region. 1 armament and equipment depot of the Ukrainian armed forces has been destroyed near Lvovo in Kherson region. 1 storage of fuel for the Ukrainian armed forces equipment has been destroyed near Kharkov. Within the counter-battery warfare, Russian artillery has neutralized 2 batteries of HIMARS and Olha multiple-launch rocket systems near Kirpotino of Zaporozhye region and Borozenskoye of Kherson region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Krasnorechonskoye, Peshchanoye, Zolotoye of Lugansk People's Republic, Valerianovka of Donetsk People's Republic, and Burchak of Zaporozhye region. Moreover, 3 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS MLRS have been intercepted near Milovatka in Lugansk People's Republic. In total, 333 airplanes and 176 helicopters, 2,504 unmanned aerial vehicles, 388 air defense missile systems, 6,593 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 891 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,577 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,216 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.